21-inch cordless mower. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. Father's Day thing, you know. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out that box. Look like it's pretty heavy. Let's see what we got in here. Tote 5. Why they got Tote 5 written on there? I don't know. Tote 5, that's the battery. Set that down there. It's a 3.5 amp battery charger, which means it should be pretty fast, but that's a pretty big size battery. There we got the pole. Another rack there, I guess that's for the bagger. This is the bag. And soon that goes over top of this. Goes in there somehow. Oh no, look at the directions, figure that out. It's the instructions. The side. Jump for the side to kick out the grass on the side if you don't want to bag it. Oh, I think I just pulled out. Too heavy for me to be trying to lift it. Just gonna roll it out. Whew. There we go. Whew, my back. This is the invoice, I guess. Where you install the battery. gonna look at the instructions, see what you're supposed to do. I think I know what I'm supposed to do. But I ain't gonna be your typical man and not read the directions. Read the directions. Look like all I gotta do is attach the handlebar part. Read the directions. And see in here it's got a little thing with a screw. Let's find out what's that for. Okay. Okay. So it looks like you just gotta take all this stuff apart. Oh man, looks like there's a bolt missing. I hope that's around here. Oh, I found it. Now I just gotta put these two bolts in. So they go in. Where's your mouse at? There we go. Yeah, this is the battery. It's a big old battery. It's a 120-volt lithium battery. It's in the charger. I ain't got it plugged up. Just uh, it came almost fully charged. It's got 3 out of 4 batteries. Lights. So it's almost fully charged. This is the bag, the Redback bag. I'm not really gonna use it. I usually bag grass. My yard not really that big. Only reason why I got this thing because it's self-propelled, which means I ain't gotta worry about pushing it. And try to get as much exercise as I can. Doctors tell me, try to do some walking and stuff. And can't afford to pay nobody to cut my grass. So I try to get out here and cut grass. It just takes me all day to do it whenever I attempt to do it. Normally something that would take me probably 30 to 40 minutes takes me hours now to do because if I try to cut the grass, I got to cut a little bit, then sit, take a couple of, minutes break to let my back recoup, then try it again. And just keep pushing myself until it's done. And usually it results with me, being up all night from cramps and stuff, muscle cramps and stuff, because, I got some nerve damage. I guess it's from the polyneuropathy. I don't know what it's really from, but I just have like these major painful cramps at night sometimes. But, I can't just not move, so I try to do as much as I can. But, yep, so this is the charger. That's a 3.5 amp charger, which means it's pretty fast for a charger. Could be a 2 amp charger. So I think probably would charge this battery up in like 2 hours or something. I don't know. I didn't read the pamphlet, but I think I did read somewhere where it was a fast charger. So it might be quicker than that. Yeah, so here's the lawnmower all put together. All you really have to do is put the handlebar part on. Take these bolts, these twist bolts and stuff. Take the little bolts right there off. Put the bars in place and then twist the bolts back on. Took me a little while to do it. Back in my day, I'd have finished putting this thing together in 5 minutes, but it took me a lot longer. But it's together. Then you got to put the little side dispenser tray on there. I don't really want to use the bagger, but I'll get to the point where I have it. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really heavy. If it wasn't for the fact that it was self-prepared, I would not be able to use this thing. I'd be I push this thing 1 or 2 times and I'll be done for the day. This thing is it's a lot heavier than I thought it was. But I mean, it's a lot heavier for me now, but it wouldn't have been before. But hey, I can't do nothing about that. But yeah, take a look at it. Let's walk around this thing. It looks real slick. 120 volts. Yeah, I'll be able to take care of this yard. Use this to cut the grass and don't have to worry about no people coming around trying to, you know, say your grass is too tall or not because can't get out there to cut it. I might be able to get my daughter to use it and cut some grass. I doubt it though. But, hey, you never know. She might get out here and do it if it needs to be done. As long as I have it now, got an electric lawnmower. Had a little corded one, but fighting with that cord, bad enough, And it was only like 13 inches, so man, I tried to use that to cut grass. I'd be out here like 8 hours almost, just for a little teeny yard. It's crazy. But this thing is self-prepared. I mean, self-propelled, self-propelled, and it's like 21 inches wide. So it's like double, almost double what the other one was. So, yeah, this the Redback lawnmower. I mean, Redback, I don't know. I don't know, sound a little suspicious, that name, but if we really looked into stuff and found out what the name was, I don't know, it could be the name of the owner, Redback or something, who knows. But it's a nice lawnmower so far. It sounds like it's real powerful. But okay, we'll see how it holds up. Eventually try it out and stuff. Run it. I mean, worst case scenario, I get my boys over here to use it to cut my grass. Hopefully I can use it, get a little bit of exercise that the doctors keep telling me I need to do. Tell me I need to do some walking. So this way I can do a little walking and get something productive done too, because this thing is propelled. So, and plus it's pretty hard, so I can hold on to it and keep myself up. All right, that's it. Uh, my grass don't really need cutting right now, but uh, once I use it and stuff, I'll get some feedback on it and let them know how good it is, or if I think it was a bad purchase to get it. Only the future can tell. Until then, I'm out.